Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bottom, L plus I plus N, line, bottom line. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Cymraeg.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Gene, hello, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. We have a newcomer joining us on the program today, this young lady on my right. Her name is Kelly Kurd. Hello, Kelly.
Hi, how you doing? Careful.
And what has Kelly brought us?
Well, that was my son's. And it lasted all of 9 months.
Your son a little violent?
No, he just likes to eat giraffes.
He ate all the stuffing out of the middle part of the giraffe's neck?
It used to have a music box inside.
I see. How old is your son?
He's almost 3.
Doesn't play with this still?
No, we got him a replacement.
Big one?
No.
No?
Don't have the yard for it.
I see. Well, this is kind of cute. I assume it's here because you expect it to be a lucky...
Hopefully. Yeah, it got him walking and talking, so, you know, who knows?
Who knows what it'll do for you, Kelly? Yes, good-looking giraffe.
Thanks.
Let's meet our returning champ here, Tom Buzan. Tom, welcome back to you. We've had a lot of puzzles lately. At the beginning of this show with an infant. At the end of yesterday's program, we had a baby up there, too, in diapers.
Wet diaper, right?
Yeah, coincidence. He's got a little one, you know, 15 months. You want to get
Yes.
during the commercial break, you can give him some tips on how to how to keep the child from chewing the giraffe's neck. Let's go to work and we'll show you. Now, this is a prize that would be great for your children when they get a little older.
You may zip along up to 15 miles an hour in this mini Corvette convertible, featuring a high-gloss body, 3-horsepower gasoline engine, and a go-kart chassis, furnished by Action Industries. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Let's take a look on the board, Kelly and Tom. We'll show you where you'll find that beautiful little car. The Mini Corvette is at number 25. We also have a Barefoot Caribbean Cruise, and Kelly, you get to pick first.
Okay, either the cruise or the car.
right.
Start at number 7.
7 is a good place to start because we have a wild card.
All right.
You want to go fishing for the trip, or do you want to grab the car?
I'll grab the car for my son.
Okay. Number
25. Yeah.
The Mini Corvette and the natural match right above it at number 20. Put it up here, and let's open these 3 panels.
Not yet.
Did you notice a moment ago when you said, I will take the car, I almost said the number before you did?
Yes.
That would have been a boo-boo on my part. But I'm glad
thank you.
I'm glad you got in there quickly. You select again.
Okay, number 13.
Green take.
Okay, and let's try for the match under number 17.
Wild card again, so you're getting the green take.
There's the trip.
There's the trip. Who knows, you might make a match on the trip itself and use this as protection. The other green take is on the board at number 16, and so we'll give you this as insurance for later on. We will open 3 more panels for you. Offer you an opportunity to solve this puzzle if you desire, or if you're able. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 10.
Car stereo system.
Great. And number 6.
Red take, no match. Tom.
Let's try number 2.
His and her activewear.
And number 4.
Wild card for you. Boy, you guys are getting rid of them very quickly, very early in this game. The other his and her activewear on the bottom line at 24, and so 3 panels will now swing open for Tom. Go again.
Number 8.
Gold and diamond brooch.
How about number 14?
Dining room, no match. Kelly?
Okay, let's see what's behind number 11.
Car stereo system.
Oh, I saw that. Was that under number 19?
Not there. That's the gold diamond brooch. Tom?
Number 15.
Gold pen and pencil set.
Number 22.
Coffee maker. We're exploring a lot of new prizes here. Kelly?
Okay, let's try number 9.
Barefoot Caribbean Cruise.
Okay, what haven't we seen? Let's try number 21.
There's a natural match. All the wild cards are gone, but you didn't need one anyway. The cruise is up there, and would you like to use this?
No, not yet. I'll hang on to it.
All righty.
Thank you.
2 doors will swing open for you, Kelly. Pick again.
Not yet. Okay, let's try number 10.
Car stereo system.
Was that under 15?
No, that's the gold pen and pencil set. Tom.
I'm not going to make the same mistake twice. Number 11 and number 10.
Car stereo system. What mistake were you referring to?
None.
There have been so many. Were you referring to my mistakes?
No, all
No?
of mine.
One of yours. All right. A minor one. Let's open these 2 doors for you. Select again.
Number 6
Red take.
and number 18.
Gold pen and pencil set. Kelly.
Okay, was the pen and pencil set under number 15?
Right.
And number 18 for the match.
Correct. Now, there's a little bit more of this puzzle showing than was the case a few moments ago. We're going to open 2 more doors for you. Would you consider using the green take now?
No, not quite yet.
All right. She doesn't think she can solve this. Let's find out. Pick again.
Ooh, okay, let's try number 22.
Coffee maker.
That's right. And let's see what's behind number 3.
There's a match. That's what we have behind number 3. Want to reconsider?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Obviously, Kelly is not too interested in activewear or a car stereo with speakers. She may change her mind soon. Let's open these 2 panels right now and see if she can do something with this.
Ooh, getting close. Let's see behind number 14.
Dining room.
Ooh, was that behind number 8?
No, a gold and diamond brooch. Tom.
Let me try number 6
Red take.
and number 23.
No, mattress set. Kelly.
Okay, let's see behind number 1.
Dining room.
That was behind number 14.
Dining room was behind number 14. Tom's a good sport. He was applauding. You're getting close to solving this, are you?
Close, but not quite yet.
So you don't
Need a
want to
little
use
more.
the take?
No, not yet.
All right. Your decision. Open it up. Select again.
Okay, let's see behind number 5.
Mattress set.
And that was behind number 23.
You are correct. Mattress set is there. I ask you again.
No, I'm going to try and clear the board.
You're going to wait and try to clear the board.
Yeah.
But there's a red take up there, isn't there?
Yes, there is.
So then you would not be able to use them. You would have 2 of them at the very end of the game, and you could use but 1. Would you like to reconsider your decision?
Yeah, I'll take the car stereo.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Alex, what are you doing to me?
You're fine. You're fine.
Doesn't cost you anything. All right, let's open these 2 doors. 2 mattresses opening up.
I'm going to wait.
Select again.
Okay, number 8.
Gold and diamond brooch.
And that was behind number 19.
Gold and diamond brooch, that's right. Another prize for your side. We'll open these 2 doors, and then we'll show you 6 and 12. And that's the red take.
And I'll take the activewear now.
So this young lady now has a chance, if she can solve this puzzle, to win every prize on the board. Kelly, can you do it?
It's too late to stop now.
Looks like it. It's too late to stop now. And Tom's winning ways are going to stop. He knew it a little while ago, but he couldn't get back into the board. Let's go. Come on, Kelly. Let's see how well you explain it.
Okay, up here is the hits and the 2. That's a lay around his neck plus the T. 2's top and the N and the ow. It's too late to stop now.
It's too late to stop now. Besides, you're having such a good time, right? Yes, indeed. Tom, you finally got your second X, and I'm sorry about that.
It's all right.
But it was nice having you with us on the program. Good luck with the little one, the 15-month-old baby. You're going away with some good prizes. It was a pleasure having you with us. Take care. So long, Tom.
See you, Tom.
All right, Kelly. We're going to hear about your prizes right now from Gene.
A gold pen and pencil set, a coffee maker, a car stereo system, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a car stereo system or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And his and her activewear, Sergio Tacchini's European design, his and her outfits, a choice of activewear, tennis wear and shoes in the latest fabrics and colors furnished by Sergio Tacchini. And a dining room, Bassett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. Its delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim and polished brass hardware furnished by Bassett. And a mattress set, Stearns & Foster's Correct Comfort Pillow Top, a queen-size mattress set you may sink into luxurious comfort. Weight, balance, support, years of service furnished by Stearns & Foster. And a gold diamond brooch, part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection. This elegant brooch is crafted in 14-karat gold and sparkles with 3 diamonds. It may add dazzle to any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And a barefoot Caribbean cruise. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll embark on a 6-day Windjammer Barefoot Cruise, casual sailing adventure in the exotic Caribbean for both old salts and land lovers. Take off your shoes and sail away to paradise, furnished by Windjammer Barefoot Cruises. And, of course, the fun-to-ride Mini Corvette. And these prizes total, get ready, hold on to something. It comes to $10,005.
Hold on to me. Isn't that amazing? In just one game, you won over $10,000. Tom was here for 3 or 4 games and picked up less than $9,000. And you have a chance to win a brand new car, too. Make it a perfect day for you when we come back after this. Good luck in this round, Kelly. Here's your good luck charm, the giraffe. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds on the clock. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
3, 6.
Right.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
Nope.
13, 4.
Right.
15, 2.
Yes.
5, 9.
No.
7, 8.
No.
11, 9.
Yes.
12. 1.
No.
7.
It's all right. You can't expect the giraffe to do too much. He got you over $10,000 in that one game. So he's a little tired. We'll come back and start game 2 right after this. Our challenger, the young man on my left, his name is Stuart Wolf. Welcome aboard, Stuart. We're going to get right into the game. We'll find out a little bit about you later. But for the moment, take a look at this. Is this a great prize or what?
Health Waves exercise and massage table helps promote total body circulation and inch loss and helps restore energy. Designed to be moved effortlessly and stored easily. Furnished by Health Wave Industries. Alex.
You notice how Pokey doesn't want to get on the massage table, though? Let's show Stuart and Kelly where the massage table will be found at number 6. To get you off to a good start in this game, we are going to open 2 doors right now. And while we are doing that, I will tell you that we have $1,100 in the cash pot. We have a holiday in Washington, D.C., Stuart, and, of course, those 5 bonus seconds for the car round. And you get to go first.
Okay, Alex, I'd like to start out with my father's lucky numbers, number 5 and number 7.
Diamond necklace there and cash pot. No match, so we'll go right to Kelly.
Okay, let's start in the middle at number 13.
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, great. Let's find the match for that under number 20.
No, red take. Stuart.
All right, let's see number 15.
Wild card.
All right, and I think I'll go for the cash pot in number 7.
Cash pot, $1,100. The other cash pot at number 10. 3 panels opening up for Stuart Wolf. Let's see what happens now. Pick again.
All right, let's go down to the bottom left-hand corner, number 21.
Red take.
And let's go to the top corner, number 1.
Wild card, so it's going to work out for you.
I get protection.
Yes. The other red tape is at number 20. Here you go. Insurance for later on. Open these 3 doors for Stuart Wolf. Pick again.
All right, let's go with number 17.
Green take.
And go for a match or a wild card under number 19.
No, I didn't think you were going to make the match, Sofa and Love Seat, because as you were deciding what number to go to, Kelly picked up the giraffe, held it in her hands, squeezed its little neck. Pick, Kelly.
Number 6. Oh, that's
Massage
right.
table.
Let's find the match for that under number 17.
No, green take. Stuart.
Okay, Alex, let's try the other corner, number 25.
Green take.
And we just saw that under number 17.
17 makes it a match, and you now have both of them. I'll put them both here. Poor Kelly has not accumulated any merchandise yet, so we'll open these 2 doors for you.
Is it Southern accent?
Is it Southern accent? Ta-da! Eat your heart out, Giraffe. You've lost your touch. You've lost that loving feeling. Let's go to the board. Stuart, well done with very little showing on the puzzle. Gosh.
Oh, sorry, Kelly.
What did you see that gave it to you? There wasn't that much showing.
Well, I saw the urn, and I was thinking maybe Suburban, or Suburban obviously didn't work, and then I saw the SU, I thought maybe Southern, I saw the axe, and then I saw the little cent down here, and I said Southern accent.
Boy, well, you said the right thing, because as a result, you wind up with $1,100 in cash and an opportunity to play for a brand new car. And Kelly, only 1 strike against you. You've already won $10,000, and you'll get to play again. We'll see you in the next one.
Great.
So long. All right, Stuart. We are going to take a break, and when we come back, you'll be in the winner's circle with me, and you'll be trying to win a brand new car. We'll see if you can do it after this. The reason I'm standing here with Pokey in my arms is that Marjorie has a little bit of work to do, and she can't look after Pokey right now. So, Marjorie, would you do it fast, please? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Don't worry, she won't go to the bathroom on you, Alex. If you would like to try... She's so cute. If you would like to... I'll wait.
Hurry up, Marjorie. Pokey is contemplating something. You can tell by looking at Pokey that there's something sinister going on in her mind. Look at her ears is coming up.
If you would like to try out the plastic concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. I won't repeat the number because I know Alex is in a big hurry.
Marjorie. You didn't do it fast enough, Marjorie. I'm sorry. Stuart, you ready?
I'm ready.
15 numbered squares. Base time for you. 35 seconds on the clock. Let's see you win a brand new car. Off you go. Good luck.
Okay, 1, 3,
No match.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
6, 9,
No.
13, 4,
No.
15, 14,
Yes.
11, 1.
No.
Nope, 3. Size, looks 5.
No.
2, 9,
Yes.
6, 7,
No.
7, 12,
Yes.
and 10, 5.
10-5, that was it. Also, you matched up 4 cars, but unfortunately, that's not enough. But hey, you've got $1,100 in cold, hard cash, which has a nice sound to it. And you get to continue after this.
Looking forward to it.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly Home Fashion. Soft colors and patches of flowers enhance this lovely bedspread. This traditional floral look is featured in the Southern Charm collection. We'll be back to classic concentration in just a moment.
Gentlemen, Pokey has become the mascot of our program, and I was just asking Marjorie, what kind of a dog is Pokey? And she said it's a Chihuahua mixed with a St. Bernard or something. This is one of the strangest looking dogs I have ever seen in my life.
Well.
You put wings on this dog, and I think it'll fly.
She's a Newfoundland dog.
Does she hang upside down in caves?
Yes, she's a
does.
fat dog.
Yes, all right. We'll say goodbye. We'll see you all next time. Come on.
Speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.